You burp? Cereal? Where's Dada? What? How do you say it? Mom? Can you say Dada? Can you say Papa?
Baba.
Kiss my hand? Aw, thank you. I like your haircut. Where's your haircut? Yeah? Did Grandma Robbie do that for you? Do you love Grandma Robbie? And Grandpa Jim? They came and saw you, huh? That was nice. Blow kisses. I love you. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Good bite. No biting. Yeah, how does that feel? New haircut? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Good job.